away to have a good time. Cycling from being disloyal. So there's lots of them. There's a Starlet, or a Sienna. They all go with S. Right. Or a Sadler. Right. Or there's an outdoor one. Called this one called outdoor. Oh, so I didn't know that. So where would you an outdoor one? The lift packs up or something. Block of flats. Maybe got steps if you can look. Yeah. I mean, they're great. You'll do that. Yeah. The people in the picture look very happy. So is this something you...
Wow.
Pathetic.
Alright, reverse phrase number 2.
Okay,
that was a squeak. That was my chair. There you are. Alright, good. Well, we're going to sort this all out, and it's going to be great. It's going to be brilliant. I know that there's more mail specifically for Dominic Byrne.
yes.
I have politely asked you, listeners, to not send Dominic's name in when you want, like, brochures for old people's...
It's a bit patchy.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look. It's turf. Yeah, you're on brand.
Yeah.
And the headphones just offset it beautifully.
Of course they do. Yeah.
Tell us your thoughts.
Well, I mean, I can't really see.
Russell Brand, of course.
Yes,
who
the
did
body
get him?
count.
Yeah. Joe Wick, of course. Joe Wicks came in. Hugh McGregor came in.
Yeah.
Paul McKenna came in. Quite a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
In 2017.
The Beatles.
Didn't have the Beatles.
No.
No, didn't have the Beatles.
Rolling Stones.
No.
Oh.
Didn't like it either.
Bids have gone in.
Judge Rinder.
Yes, Judge Rinder.
No,
that
did
was
you say Keanu?
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Unbelievable.
So
you fly to Alicante.
Right, okay, we don't need to know your
What's your flight number, Andy?
Well, even more interesting, I have to go on EasyJet.
Oh my God! Look at that! Whoa! By the way, there's nothing wrong with it.
Why?
Because you're hard as nails for a start.
It makes me sound like a bloody workie. I've walked in hobnail boots.
How are you?
I'm really good.
You look fantastic.
Oh, thank you.
You always look great.
What can I say?
And congratulations, by the way. You got engaged.
Oh my God. This is so embarrassing.
What? Why didn't you step in there?
Well, I'm
Hey,
Too busy getting the spare bedroom ready.
Hey, and you, modern man Les Dennis in the corner. I see you there, vermin. I see you, vermin.
Folks.
Yes.
Good morning, folks. That's what Dave always does when he goes into DJ mode. I love DJ Dave.
It's
fine. Come on. Because no, we have genuinely established that I struggle when I'm left to my own devices.
To be fair, Dave, you kind of walked into this.
Cannon.
Yeah.
Ball.
Yeah.
Pink.
Yeah.
Sexy times.
There you go.
Wow.
Exactly. You win, the viewers win.
Pink. Cannon. Ball.
Yeah.
Are you in?
Yeah.
And Rob DJ watching.
That's weirdly my catchphrase, but I hear a lot.
Are you in yet? Oh, wow.
Yes, I am now part of the CC, the Colonic crew.
Yeah.
Yo, it's the Colonic crew. Just look at your, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Dave and I are going to swap stories later. Finally, I've got someone to,
Some times with it.
Yes. I can't believe I did it, man. I can't believe I did Colonic.
I'm amazed.
It's the weirdest thing.
Oh, I'll haunt your dreams for years to come, but it will have been worth it.
And the bit which you would worry about, that's the easiest bit.
Well, there's lots
Oh,
of...
my fanny pack. That's right, that's what the Americans call it. Where did you get that from?
Vivian Westwood.
Get lost.
Yeah.
Hey,
Still match me Vivian Westwood socks.
wow.
What did I
Hey, let me run through some names, and I'd love to know what you think of these women.
Can't look at me, can you, Dom? No. Look the other way, mate. Look at the wall.
All right, well, let's run through a few. All right, how about hot.
She's hot, man.
Yeah, she is hot. I know. How about this? Let's. This morning on the way in, just to kind of like, because we've never met before, I've never interviewed before, and there's obviously loads of you and Robert Downey Jr. What did he call that?
Oh, is it the same song?
No, there was 1, 2, 3, 4. Get with the wicked.
He just goes to Buffalo Soldier. That's what he said. Roughnecks will go check the lawn and vibe. Watch your step will flex and get a hole in your side. Swallow your pride. Don't let your lip react. You.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you turned off.
So,
I will have that line again from Dave.
Peter was a cheeky one.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
Peter. There's always one.
Let's keep going.
Here we go.
Who sent us
That's not
those?
my quote, that's theirs.
Who sent us those?
We have no
There's no
letter.
letter?
There's no covering letter or anything.
Wow. It's just a magazine?
Yeah, exactly. What should we do there? Just leave them there.
Well, judging by the... I hate to be offensive, but judging by the lasses on the cover, you can keep them.
Yeah.
I'm sure they're lovely though.
Yeah.
Maybe you're trying to get through college, who knows?
Lovely on the inside.
I don't have a problem with them doing it, but I do... Yeah, no.
Yeah.
What?
Good. I will leave that there then.
Right.
Thank you very much whoever sent those.
Cool. I've still got my magazines that Katy Perry gave me.
Which magazines were those?
Well, the Trouble of Blueies.
Yeah.
Is she?
Yeah. Well, we're doing the marathon show at the old place.
Oh, wow. And Avid Marion gave you one for your birthday one year as well, I remember.
And John Bishop.
John Bishop. Do you know what? I don't know where that magazine went.
Yeah.
Here we go. Write these letters down, all lowercase.
Oh, what are you
P.
doing?
P. O. P. D. Off you go, guys.
Chris.
Yes.
Pop it.
I can't think what it is.
Oh.
Hey. Oh, I think I know. Who wants to go for it?
Well, can I have a go?
Yeah, sure. Sorry.
It smells pickled oniony to me.
Yeah.
What answer are you going to give, Chris? What answer are you going to give?
Well, I was going to wait till other people give their answer.
Got you. Branston pickle.
Oh.
Oh, I'm pickled onion with Chris.
No, I'm with Dave.
Oh.
Branston pickle.
Oh, the room is split.
Yeah.
Deadlock.
I say it's a deadlock. Oriental deadlock. I can reveal, guys.
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
Branston pickle.
Oh,
Yes! Yes!
who knew? This should be tense.
Bring out the Branston. That's what you do for number 3.
Bring on another feature.
No, I can't enjoy this.
Totally saw this
Oh,
problem.
the studio's going to stink as well.
Breathing is something to focus on instead of your thoughts, and it'll bring you back to your zen-like state.
And this is from our mutual friend when you were out with last night.
Yeah.
Sounds like it was a very long night.
It was a great night. A lovely, positive evening. I like being, around this person, as you know.
This was.
No, I was trying to work it out. No idea.
While he was saying, of course.
Please, can I order?
Oh. So Matt says.
Can we hear that again? Wang is and mash.
Oh, yum.
That's a story for another day.
Yeah.
Right, thank you for listening. Enjoy the best bits of the Chris Moores podcast. Here it is after Dominic's favourite relieved noise. So lovely to see Dominic looking. I don't know if you're familiar with the 80s pop singer Gary Newman, who had the hit with Cars, but Dominic, you are a bit of a ringer for Gary Newman.
And a bit Harry Styles in there.
Yeah,
Yeah, maybe. I'll give you perhaps if you squint your eyes and look the other way. But talk me through the haircut that you're rocking there.
I had quite, although you wouldn't believe it, I had very, very thick hair. So there wasn't actually much you could do with it other than just look really cool.
Yeah.
So obviously I'm doing
Do you see the spots on his face?
Alright, I did have acne, yes.
I can't let. Well, let's see if we can zoom in on this picture. Look at that.
Just zoom in.
To dancing, to Dexy's Midnight Runners.
This is Dom's Disco.
Dexy's Midnight Runners. Come on, Eileen. We have a lost child. Just say we have a lost child. If you recognise this child, can you just stand up?
Dog
dodgy celebrity Patsy hooks up with. If you look under your feet, you'll see a piece of paper and a pen.
Let's have a listen, shall we?
Right.
Hi there. Sorry, from Radio X. I'm going to do a Dizzy Rascal impression. I'm sure I need to.
PA, you know, doing everything that he needs to be, you know, taken care of and all that sort of stuff. So he is sat on the edge of the booth, and every so often he has gigantic coughing fits, and is going through a gigantic pack of napkins, and takes the phone away from his mouth to continue the coughing, and then puts it back to his mouth.
Really from a rough guy.
Who drives back then?
So I drove, I'd say, 80% of the way.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Then who drove the rest?
Duncan did, father-in-law.
Duncan?
Yep.
That's his name?
Yeah, that's his name.
Group, dude. Alright, let me open up. Where do you want to go?
On a cruise?
Oh.
Nowhere.
Okay. You sure?
No, Dover. And then I'll just drive back again. And
Gav's going mental. My phone's blowing up.
No, I don't. I really don't. I really don't. No. I hate this. I absolutely hate this. I thought... Shall I tell you who I thought it was?
Yeah.
I thought it was our head of music, Mike Walsh.
No.
I think I recognise the voice.
Do you? Do you want to ring them?
Will you ring him?
No.
Hey, you haven't got your new shoes on.
Can't turn right.
Not really your business.
It is.
You a policeman?
Maybe. Might be undercover. No.
You didn't beat him.
There's the joint account.
Yeah.
The rear camera is askew.
You aren't actually supposed to go across the bus lane like that. You should have waited.
Do you want to alternate or something?
Stop. Come alive. She's got a dash cam. So she can document her bad driving, I guess.
Yeah. That's the bus lane still. Well, I guess we did. Paris.
Wow.
It's gone now. Do you have a specific reason for being in this lane? knock off your both windows.
They both went and they shouldn't have gone.
That's nice.
I can change them now. Is he parking? What is he doing?
You don't know how to drive, mate.
I knew he wasn't parking, he was just getting into that lane, but so what's the point?